Hey guys, tonight we're going to show you how to get the lights looking good again in the Alfa GT. There are plastic lenses. Sorry guys about the lights. This camera, we have to get a new one. But the lights tend to get this hazy look, and I'm going to show you how to get them looking new again. Guys, we're going to be doing a lot of maintenance on the Alfa GT. That is my car, so I'm going to show you how to do it. There aren't many videos on how to do stuff on Alfa GT specifically, so I decided to make videos for all the guys with the GTs, so that we can help each other, and hopefully I can help you get some things done that you didn't know how to do. I hope these videos help, and subscribe to my channel please, so that you can get your notifications and see every time I put one on. Thanks guys. I'm going to start now. I've got 1200 paper, and I've got a little bit of soapy water, and you just give it a light sand all over. Make sure you put a lot of water, and get it all over. All you're trying to do is get that haze off. Carefully, don't hit the car. Okay, so I'm going to carry on doing this until I get. You can actually feel it with your fingers. As soon as the paper sort of glides over the plastic nicely, then you know that hazy stuff is off. It's quite difficult to get it off just with polishing alone, so you'll see that this actually works pretty well. So I'm just going to carry on doing this for a little bit until I can't feel it under the paper anymore, till the paper moves smoothly all over the light. Remember, keep on putting lots of water. It's soapy water, remember that. I used dishwashing liquid. So I'm beginning to feel it's nice and smooth now. And now I'm going to start polishing. Okay, so I'm done sanding it now. Now you're going to see when it dries, it's going to go very hazy. It's not going to be nice and shiny. That's because we've just sanded it with the 1200 paper. So we're going to dry it nicely, and you'll see it'll go a little bit hazy. Can't really see, but as it dries, you'll see it's not fantastic. See with the camera, but it's already going hazy. So what I'm going to do now is get my polisher and just polish it, and then you'll see it comes very, very shiny. Okay, so this is my polisher. I've just got the wool polishing cloth on it. This is a professional car polisher. So I'm going to do it now. So now I've finished with the machine, and I'm just gonna give it a nice shine with the microfiber cloth. And there we go. My light. Look at that. Nice. And can't get the light right, but you can see nice and clear. So that's it, guys. 1,200 paper or more if you can. You can even get the 1,500 or the 2,000 paper. Give it a sand with soapy water, then polish it. You don't need to have a polishing machine. You can do it with just by hand. Bit of elbow grease, and your lights will come brand new. That's all you need to do. No toothpaste or any of those other funny things that they tell you about. Just do it the old-fashioned way. Get the haze off with some sandpaper and polish the rest off. That's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Hope this video helped. Ciao, ciao. Okay, guys, so this is the final result. I've just cleaned up the panels around it as well. And as you can see, I'm trying to show you with the lights, but they are clear, 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 clear. No more haze, nothing. The car is perfect now. The lights are perfect. And this is my baby. Slowly, slowly, we'll get everything perfect on this car. It is pretty good already, but that's because I maintain it all the time.